Hi, my name is Aryaman, and I've been working with Saud for the last 3 to 4 months. I initially reached out to Saud because I felt that my reading speed was very slow and I wasn't able to learn as quickly and as effectively as possible. I think the key and most important thing about Saud is that he doesn't just want you to learn, he doesn't want you to just learn to speed read, he wants you to enjoy the process of doing so. And I've always felt that Saud has helped me a lot with targeting the issues that I'm facing. He hasn't just come in and taught me this is speed reading and this is how it's done. He's since the first day he's listened to what are the issues, what are the difficulties I've been facing, and he's always found ways to overcome those issues or work around those problems. Um, Even when my confidence has been low at times and I haven't been as patient with the process, Saud has always heard me out. He's tried to hear what exactly is the problems I'm facing. He's been very patient with me, and I think the most important thing is just uh, putting in your effort. If you put in the effort, Saud is willing to reciprocate that. He likes to take your problems and the difficulties you're facing very personally, and he really wants to help you, is what I feel. It's not done out of just doing it for the sake of money or doing it for the sake of just completing the job. He really helps you. He really wants to help you, and he's really helped me out a lot with my confidence in learning and enjoying the process of learning. Yeah.